Hello everyone, welcome to Homework Help. If you find the videos useful, please subscribe to the channel. So in this video, we'll solve this problem using the concepts of vectors as velocity. So as per the problem, a child sitting in the back seat of a car traveling at 20 meters per second throws a ball at 2 meters per second to her brother who is sitting in the front seat. And in part A, we have to find what is the velocity of the ball relative to the children. So let's start with part A. Now, as per the problem, the car is traveling at a speed of 20 meters per second. So a vector that represents the velocity of the car can be shown as. So let's assume the car is moving to the right side. Now the speed of the ball is 2 meters per second. So the vector that represents the velocity of the ball should be much smaller than that of the car. Now the ball is thrown by the child sitting in the back seat to the brother who is sitting in the front seat. That means the ball is being thrown in the same direction as that of the moving car. So there is a very important concept we need to understand for this problem. Now we have to find the velocity of the ball relative to the children. Now the children are in the car, the ball is also in the car. So the frame of reference for part A is the car because both the children and the ball are in the car. So we just have to find the velocity of the ball relative to the children sitting in the moving car. So since the frame of reference is the car, so we'll ignore the speed of the car to find the velocity of the ball. So the velocity of the ball in part A will just be 2 meters per second and the direction will be to the right because we are assuming the car is going to the right. So this should be the final answer for part A. Now we can analyze part B. What is the velocity of the ball relative to the road? Now in this case, the frame of reference is the road. So we have to find the resultant velocity of the ball relative to the road. So we know that the formula for resultant velocity is the sum of vectors v1 and v2. So vector v1 here represents the car. So v1 can be written as and vector v2 represents the ball. Now we can find the resultant relative to the road. Now since both of these vectors are acting in the same direction, we can do the algebraic sum. So we can just add 20 and 2, so we get 22. So this is the resultant velocity of the ball relative to the road. If the frame of reference is on the road, so we will see the ball moving faster than 2 meters per second because it is in the car that's moving at 20 meters per second. So it moves at a speed of 22 meters per second relative to the road. So this should be the final answer for part B. So these are the steps you have to keep in mind to solve a problem like this one. So I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it, and subscribe to Homework Help. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.